Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark Comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have Samsung's best phone from last year going up against their newest phone this year. It's going to be the Exynos 9810 versus the Exynos 9820, 6GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus scored higher on every single category, and that's not surprising as it does have the newer processor and 2GB of extra RAM. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up There will also be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.